Hello and welcome to my advice video for Level 3 candidates. We have about 6 weeks left for the exam. At this stage, you should have finished at least one round of the curriculum. If not, then you need to accelerate your studies, and you can do that by using our summary videos. Here, in about 10 to 20 minutes, we highlight the most important points from every reading. Even if you have completed one round of the curriculum, it might still make sense to listen to the summaries so you can revise concepts that you have studied earlier. The key activity at this stage, however, is practice. You need to do lots of practice over the next few weeks if you want to pass the Level 3 exam. Now, the question is, what is the best source of practice? I hope that during your regular study, you have done the practice problems from the curriculum. The practice problems are not necessarily in an exam-like format, but they cover important concepts. So what you can do is go back to those practice problems and just revise the key points so that all the necessary facts are in your head. After that, I want you to go online and make sure you do all the assessments that are available on the CFA Institute website. These assessments are in MCQ format. So they are in a case study format where each case study has 6 questions, and that is the format of the afternoon exam. So you need to do all these questions. For the essay exam, the best practice is actual past CFA Institute essay exams, and you must do these. Do as many past essay exams as possible. You need to be careful about the fact that the curriculum changes every year. And to help you, we have released a relevance document that tells you which questions are still relevant and which are not. Now, my advice with CFA Institute essay exams is that you go topic by topic. So up till the 2015 paper, I suggest you go topic by topic. So do all the individual investor questions, all the institutional investor questions, and so on. To help you in this area, we have created what we call a completion portfolio. Our completion portfolio will tell you which questions from 2013 are no longer relevant and then give you substitute questions so that in essence you have a complete exam to practice. This completion portfolio covers 2013 through 2017. So in any case, do topic-wise questions till 2015, and then once you feel you are comfortable, do the entire 2016 exam. After you are done with this exam, make sure that you have a Level 3 instructor grade the exam and give you feedback so you know how well you are attempting the essay exam. If you want, you can also use IFT's grading service here, whereby you can send us your exam, we will grade the exam and then give you feedback on how to perform better. Once you have your feedback on the 2016 exam, then you should do the 2017 exam. And again, I would like that when you do these exams, you use a completion portfolio so that you essentially have a full exam to work through. Otherwise, if you are working through the regular 2017 exam, there will be several questions that are no longer relevant for 2018. So the key is lots and lots of practice. As you practice, make sure you are reviewing the material, that you are remembering the key facts and formulas. And if you do that, you will maximize the probability of passing the Level 3 exam. That is it for now. Best of luck with your studies.